You have to really think as to what you're trying to accomplish.
Wow, okay. So once that is completed, then what needs to be done? We go into this part,
Yes.
right?
Now you can assemble these two together and then put it into our hub.
Into the hub?
Yes.
Is this like the heart of the thing?
No,
That's the heart. So this is like the kidneys. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this goes in there, right?
Okay, well done.
And then that into... Ooh, here we go.
Yeah.
Ooh, this came out now.
No worries. No.
Okay.
Great.
Part
well
of Lego.
done.
Yeah, we put it back.
It breaks.
We put it back.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So then what happens after that?
Okay. Now the next step. Now we need to start assembling this whole part here.
Okay.
So that section is going to go on the one side here.
So what is the function of that thing?
So this is going to be our launcher part. So the model that we're building is an aircraft launcher.
Okay.
All right. So this is the part where we're going to put our airplane in.
Okay.
And we're going to lower the airplane and shoot it out.
Ooh, okay. Okay.
This is actually crazy. I wish they had this back in my school. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We all.
Okay, so that is the launcher.
Yeah, that's the launcher part.
Okay.
Now, as I mentioned previously, we need mechanics inside. We need engineering inside
Okay.
to make something work. So now we just need to connect the brain part. So on the side here, we have two large motors.
Okay.
And on here, which is very exciting with robotics, is that we have different kinds of sensors.
Okay.
So in this particular model, we have two touch sensors. So the one, if we trigger it, it will lower the plane. The other sensor will bring it up. Okay.
Okay.
That's going to come out in the programming. Sorry for all the wires, but that's just how we
Okay.
communicate.
Okay.
Right.
So now, after we do this, where exactly are we connecting this to? All these wires are coming out into where exactly?
All right. So the tablet, when we do the programming, is going to talk to the smart brick, and the smart brick needs to then take that information into the motor to make it work. So now we're going to connect our motors into our smart brick on the side here.
Oh, okay.
I hope you guys at home are following this, okay? Like, pay really, really close attention. Because ek is 'n klein bietjie verlore. Okay.
Right. So hopefully all my motors
So
are
that
now in.
will charge everything to work.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is now the motor part. So this is giving the energy into it. And we're
Okay.
telling it at what power, at what speed, in which direction to turn.
Lovely. Okay.
Right. So these two wires I'm going to connect into my sensors, which are now on the side here. The touch
we see them
sensors
on
that
the
I
side,
mentioned
okay.
previously. Just connecting them. So this is now going to tell, if I touch this top one, it's going to lower the beam to bring the airplane closer.
Okay.
And that's going to come from there.
Okay.
But before I have to do that, I just need to connect this as well. So these, the tires are going to spin
See how
to
cool
launch
is
the
that?
plane.
Our robot's got rums, Maria. That's how cool our robot is. Okay. Okay.
All right.
Oh,
So now,
wow.
just a quick question here about the coding.
Yes.
We actually were talking about coding on the show just the other day. Is it the same as like JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, those type of coding?
What?
You know what I'm saying? You know.
So unfortunately, we're not at that level yet.
Okay, okay.
So
Okay.
what we do is we teach them about the basics of what is supposed to be in the coding.
Okay.
But the coding is running behind a software program.
Okay.
And the software program that we're using is Mindstorm EV3. So that's put into it already, and we use the commands. So in the next one, I'll show you the actual programming code. So we put the commands together.
Well guys, as jy nie eers geweet het wat die terme sy nou gebruik het nie, maak seker jy bly ingeskakel. All of that will be explained a little bit later, and we'll get to see our robot move that you don't want to miss. But right now, back to Women in Science, as they're all about helping the wildlife. Check a look at this.
Hectic. Hello, Hectic 99ers. My name is Noni, and I come to you from the beautiful province of Mpumalanga. As you all know, August is Women's Month, so that gives us a chance to celebrate all our lovely women. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one such lovely woman. With me today, I have Lungile Twala. Lungile, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Nani?
Very well, thank you. Now, Lungile works right here at the Kruger Science Lab in Rocky's Drift, Mbombela. Lungile not only has a master's degree in chemistry, but she also has a double PhD from Belgium and from Spain. How's that for girl power?
Yeah. Very nice to meet you, hey? So you can come inside.
I'd love to.
Molecular research entails sort of a cross-disciplinary field which involves all the sciences. It should be biology,